Hi Carthago friends out there! You told us we would like to have a vehicle with round about 7 meters, but we want separate shower, separate bathroom. And here it is. What we get is a vehicle with maximum comfort, with the same liner jeans as in all our other models, and a vehicle length of just over 7 meters. Here it is, the C-Tourer T145RB LE. The 145 RB LE comes in 4 different variants. As an A-Class vehicle, on the Fiat and the Mercedes-Benz chassis, and as a low profile, same on the Fiat and on the Mercedes-Benz chassis. Also, all types come on the Alco low frame chassis. It gives you great driving performance and it saves a little weight. So I would like to welcome you on board and show you around this great model. So looking at this beautiful vehicle, we have the XL habitation door here, we have a huge storage system built in this vehicle, and we have 2 large garage doors, one on each side, so you can access the storage area in the garage quite easily. So before we forget, look at this stunning new dynamic design rear. And now I would say it's time to look inside this beautiful new vehicle. Welcome inside the low-profile version of our new C-Tourer layout 145 RB LE. The style world inside here is Casablanca, but it's been upgraded. Upgraded in a way that we got more anthracite black elements here. Or for example, the technical panel above the habitation door. What we can also find in the entrance area is a new way of how the TV has been integrated. So we find here a very clever new system of how to swivel out the TV, turn it around, and it doesn't take a lot of space. This layout here comes with a corner kitchen. It's got an elevated kitchen counter, an additional work surface. And we can see here the vertical wave inside the pull-out coffee machine. In front of the vehicle we see the L-shaped seating group. We find the 360 degrees turning table, a swivel-out shoe cabinet, and the upholstery you can see here is called London and is the new series standard for this model. In the low-profile Tourer models, you'll find cabinets in the front of the vehicle. However, as an option, you can have a drop-down bed instead. The back of the 145 RB LE. LE stands for lengthway single beds. The longest of them over 2 meters, so even tall Carthago fans can find their perfect spot in the vehicle. RB is a German term and stands for the luxury bathroom, which means separate shower, separate bathroom in a compact vehicle size. We find a very spacious shower here, a high standing height, and it's got a shower insert in the same color as the floor. We can make this shower even more spacious by pulling this door out, and just like that, you're ready to shower. At the same time, you can turn this area here into a changing room. You got 2 separate lifts here on the left and on the right, which gives you access into the wardrobes. The wardrobes are even lowered into the double floor, so even for longer dresses or big clothes. We hope you love the new 145 RB LE just as much as we do. Take a chance and visit us at one of the next international shows where we will be presenting and launching this great model. We are looking forward to welcome you on the stand.